What's good, YouTube? You already know what it is. It's WhoahTvo, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video, we're gonna be doing a brand review on my brand. So I am about to drop a full zip up hoodie, and it came in a couple of days ago. I should have did the video when it came in, but I forgot. That's my fault. I'm gonna be showing you guys the full zip up I'm dropping. It's my very first ever full zip up I made, and yeah, man, like, I'm excited. Before we get into this, make sure y'all leave a like, subscribe, hit that noti bell. Yeah, man, let's get to it. Damn, so I turned the light in. Okay. Good. Alright, so I'm about to show y'all the hoodie. This is what it looks like. That's my first ever full zip up. It's a cool little skeleton design with a little red in the eye. And we got a little diamond design right here. The spider. You got the C and the plus. And then this is my favorite like symbol I like to use a lot on my phone. So I put it in there. So I go with it. And so, you know, Halloween theme. Gotta add the webs on the face. It's embroidered too as well. And it forms into a heart as well. Let's go back into this. Nice little screen print. Spider. Got the Glory Days. Nice puff print. Spider too as well. Added a little web. Gotta make this Halloween theme because this one we dropping it raw. I was cooking it up on my phone. So I use like my phone and stuff to create my designs now. I usually get my designer to help me out most of the time, but I really need that now. So I just design my own clothes now. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'm if y'all need tips on how to make clothes on your phone and stuff, I can get y'all right. So yeah, what I'm about to do is I'm about to style this full zip up. I'm about to put a fit together. And let's get to it. Let's get it. Alright, so first what we got here is some YL wax denim leather jeans. Some YL wax denim leather jeans from YL brand. Y'all tap in with them. I'll put their link in the description too as well. Leather print. Nice back right here. Nice tag right there. So yeah, it's a nice fit. I'm gonna show y'all the full fit at the end. But yeah, this is what it look like right here. YL right here. And I'm gonna show y'all the next one. Let's get it. Alright, so next what we have here is my brand shirt. My first ever drop. It's my brand shirt. Gonna throw a little cool white tee with it. Live by Glory. It's my sample too as well. It's a sample shirt. Just gonna throw it in there. Small little tee. Keep it simple. Let's get it in. Alright, next we gonna call on some cool little Phazos, all white. I just copped these like a couple days ago. I had to get a new pair. But yeah, we just gonna throw in a smooth little all white Phazos. Keep it simple. Yeah, let's get it. You already know. Once again, we're gonna throw in the brand hoodie. Keep it again. Keep it again. Y'all see the material? Like, this joint is crazy. I know y'all see the material. Like, hold on, let me show y'all the inside. Like, I know y'all see it, bro. It's crazy. But yeah, we're gonna throw this in here. And I'm about to show y'all the final result. And before we get into it though, make sure y'all leave a like and subscribe. I know y'all can't see my face, just how the camera's set up. Make sure y'all like and subscribe before y'all show it in. Oh, one more thing, we're gonna throw in this accessory too. We're gonna throw this in. It's a little link chain, something cool. But yeah, let's get it.
3 hoes in the lobby, I'm tweaking, they want me to hit. This money.
Wow, bitch. Post up on that block when it's safe, jet ice on my team and put them on skates. They really don't know what they say, but this shit is a dream at the end of the day. In the back of the beam with a wood to the face. I was already clean at the end of the day. I might go on and speed from the motherfucking jet. So much acetylene got them building the cage. Won't pop that perk, I really don't know how to feel. Won't drop that verse, that shit got me holding the mill. Fuck a chain, put that on the grill. Got me switching the lane, I'm swerving the wheel. They going insane, it's giving me chill. I don't gotta maintain, I'm already ill. 3 hoes in the lobby, I'm tweaking, they want me to hit. This money be piling, I'm leaning and stepping in cribs. Low man with a sesame chick, just give me the brain, I don't wanna hit. My name came back from the D. You gon' see me on stage in a Burberry fit. Put up an 8, post up on that block when it's safe. Jet ice on my team and put them on skates. They really don't know what they say, but this shit is a dream at the end of the day. In the back of the beam with a wood to the face. I was already clean at the end of the day. I might go on and speed from the motherfucking jet. So much acetylene got them building the cage. What the fuck? Put me up.